If you ever need a wing bolt, or also known as a butterfly bolt, here's a simple trick how you can make one from a bolt and a plastic bottle. First, I cut off a threaded part of the plastic bottle. I put the bolt in a vise and I heated up the plastic ring with a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use an oven or even a candle. Use your hands and pliers to shape those wings. Then I cut off the excess plastic. Well, that's it, our wing bolt is ready. You might think that the plastic is very fragile, but I can assure you it's not the case. In fact, it's so strong that I can't break it with my hands.